Hello investors, welcome to Million Note. Today I will be talking about chart analysis. This will be a really helpful topic for especially beginners and also traders who are in the market with fewer experience. Under the chart analysis, I will be talking about these four topics. First one is market and you, whom you are dealing with, and chart analysis, trade opportunities and few examples for the trade opportunities. Let's get into the first topic now. The market and you, whom you are dealing with. So I am addressing to you who are individual traders who are looking for the knowledge. We need to understand whom we are dealing with. In the market, when you are going to make a trade, when you are going to buy or sell, that can be a short, that can be a long trade, that can be a day trade. You must understand whom you are dealing with. First, you will be dealing with private professional traders who are well experienced and professional traders. Secondly, there are individual amateur traders who are knowledgeable and good experience. The third, institutional traders such as hedge funds. And these traders will have lot of information, the information that you don't have access to, and you may be trading with very few tools. So in this case, you must understand that you cannot fight against the many. This is the many in the market and we are fighting against these many, or we are trying to make a trade among them. So it is very important to understand that and stick to the trade plan. Otherwise, the market will be definitely attacking against you. So we cannot go against the market unless it is a coincidence. So let's get into chart analysis. Chart analysis, we can divide the chart analysis into two main areas. One is the price action, second one is the pattern analysis. Now I'm not going to talk about the price actions. Most probably I can do a specific video about that, but I'm going to talk about the pattern analysis. According to the different patterns that the market moves, that the price moves, we can understand or we can analyze different kind of patterns and find trade opportunities. That is what we call pattern analysis. When analyzing these different kind of patterns, we find four main trade opportunities. Let's get into that. As you see here, the first one is the trend continuation. This is the movement of the price. So if the price is creating this kind of higher highs and moving upwards, it shows us that this upper trend is continuing. So if this kind of upper trend, or it can be also a lower trend downwards, that is also a trend continuation downwards. Second is a trend reversal. So as we saw in the previous here, once this kind of trend reached to a level, and if the trend is not continuing anymore and if the trend is reversing to a downtrend, so this is called a trend reversal. So the uptrend is not continuing anymore, it is not existing anymore. So once the uptrend is not continuing and the price has fallen the previous support levels, this is called a trend reversal. Third one is a range movement. A range movement is a situation where the price reached to a level such as here, and then price drops somewhere here, and again the price goes up to a certain level as previous, or it can be a range, not exactly a specific price, and it falls again. So this kind of range movement, you may have heard about a consolidation. This is called a range movement. So this is third trade opportunity. The fourth trade opportunity we see is a breakout. A breakout is a situation such as after a trend continuation and then a range movement. So this level that we saw always rejecting the price has been broken out, this is called a breakout. And also this can be other way around, a price which is falling as here, and some range movements, and then this level breaks out and it is a trend reversal and it is a breakout. So these are the 4 trade opportunities that we can identify when analyzing the patterns. This is a very basic information, or this is a very basic overview, especially for beginners, and this is not technical analysis. This is to understand what are the charts, what are the patterns, and what are the trade opportunities. Now let's have a quick look at the real chart and identify those patterns that we were talking about. This is S&P 500. I think I took 2-3 days ago, around 1st of May or 2nd of May, I guess. If you look at the first one, the trend continuation, I hope you can see very well here. We see one trend continuation here, but if you look at this level, so this is a very long trend continuation. And also if you look at from here, and it is a very long trend continuation. As you can see here, there are higher highs which take the price to this highest level. And second one, the trend reversal. I hope you can see one here. So the price has reached to a level here, but then it is not continuing anymore. The trend has reversed and fallen up to this level. And also after this highest level, again the trend has reversed. So this kind of situations we identify as trend reversals. Third one is the range movement. I think we can have here, this is a clear range movement. So price reach here, so it has been rejected and it reached the bottom, and again back to this level. So this is a very clear range movement. So as you see here, maybe this could be a place where a breakout will occur, or it can continue again as it was continued in the past. So the fourth one is of course the breakout, as I was mentioning here. So this can be a breakout, or if you see here, maybe, so this was the previous high, which is around 3,400 plus, and now that price is broken out and then continue as a higher trend. Now when we look at those 4 different chart patterns, of course when you see this kind of trend continuations, these are the opportunities where you can enter a trade. Or secondly, when you see this kind of signs that price is about to reverse, so this is also an opportunity for you to exit the market or go for a short. Third, this kind of range movements, if you notify that price is respecting this kind of support levels, so these are also opportunities for short-term trades. Fourth, this kind of situation where a breakout is about to happen. Once you notice that breakout has been confirmed, so that is also an opportunity for you to enter a trade. I think that's all for today. In short, if you think that this video added some value to you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. All the best.